If only I had a heavy-duty cleaner without poison in it. Let's get to work. This is the ultimate homemade spray and soak cleaner. It's gonna take the dirt off. Recipe simple: water, vinegar, dish soap, and lemon juice. Majority of it's water at 10 ounces. Then you're gonna do 8 ounces of vinegar, 4 ounces of lemon juice, and 2 ounces of dish soap. Stir it all up, get it nice and mixed. Subscribe, hit the bell. I don't know what it does. Just do it anyway. Pour it into a water bottle. Don't use this crappy water bottle that I got from the dollar store. The sprayer separates from the bottle and makes a huge mess on the floor, and then it'll just ruin your day. Now you're ready to get spraying. Check this out. Butter chicken. This is burnt on bad. 15 minutes later, and a little elbow grease, but it's coming right off. Soap scum, toilets, showers, bath, anything. You got it. You're done. Dirty house clean. Boom.